Bismillah. Hello everyone. Let's try to practice some reorder paragraph practices. I know it's not crucial and this question is not too much important like reading and writing fill in blanks and writing and reading fill in blanks, but it still has a good amount of marks which would be very important to your grade if you want to cross 79 plus to get these marks. Let's try with this one. Okay, here I am searching for paragraph sentence, a wide sentence, not a specific, such as learning multiply language enhances cognitive abilities and culture awareness. Here it starts with it, so it means that it will be returned to something. Despite here, maybe this one, despite these benefits, no, these benefits refers to another issue, so it will be not this one. Moreover, bilingualism has been, no, moreover, so it is added, so I think this one should be the first one. Here learning multiply languages enhance cognitive abilities and cultural awareness. Despite these benefits, I think these benefits refers to these benefits. I think it would be like second one. Despite this benefit, language learning can be challenging due to linguistic complexity and the need for immersion. Okay. There is one here. It allows individual to access information and communicate in globalized world. This is another benefit. So I believe that this one will be here second. It refers to learning multiply languages. I think that. Moreover, bilingualism has been linked to improved problem solving and creativity. So, moreover, it should be here. Why? Why not this second one? Because moreover, I think because moreover, this one first. This one moreover, bilingualism means knowing multiply languages. I think it is like that. Let's submit and see. Alhamdulillah, it's correct. Okay, let's practice another one. Okay, first one should completely independent clause, not dependent on another one. This debate, so this debate, there is a debate before this one. Some argue that language shapes thought, influencing how we perceive and interact with the world. This can be. The relationship between language and thought is a topic of considerable debate in linguistics and psychology. No, this one. Everyone who is writing, it says no that this is the this is the first paragraph statement. The relationship between language and thought is a topic of considerable debate in linguistics and psychology. Okay. Some argue that language shapes. This is a debate. Okay. So there is a debate. This is a debate. No. So this debate highlights the complex interplay between language, cognition, and culture. So this one is the second one, this debate, which is this one. First one, some argue, then other content. That's it. Inshallah, that's it. Let's see. Oops. No. Why? DC. Let's see. DCAP. D C. Okay. This debate highlights. Yes, it is right. I was wrong because this debate, it is the final. This one, because the relationship between some argue that, other contend that. This debate highlights the complex. Yes, that's correct. Okay, let's try another one. High noise levels in the workplace, particularly in industrial setting, can impair communication and concentration. Okay, this is the first one, because this is a wide statement, wide sentence, can include under it a lot of information. This, what is this? This high noise level. So this will be second one, as I think. Okay. Besides long term, besides it will be comes third. Long term exposure can cause permanent hearing loss and psychological stress. Okay. Therefore, implementing, I think that is it. This is the first one. Second, this often leads to reduce. Beside, so here we can review this point. Besides come second or third? Because sometimes besides long-term exposure can cause permanent hair lossing. This often leads to reduced producing and an increased risk of accidents. I think no. I think it's like that. Let's see. Alhamdulillah. That's it. Okay everyone. Thank you for watching.